Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson.
Creating sales receipts. Learning outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover creating sales receipts. Topics: about sales receipts, creating a sales receipt, Pro Advisor Challenge, more payment now. Sales receipts are a normal part of doing business. So normal, in fact, that if you work in retail, you may take them for granted. When you're running a company, however, it's important to pay close attention to your receipts. The information they contain, the way you create them, and how they're issued can all affect your business accounting. How can QuickBooks Online help? Whether it's cash or a different payment method, clients can easily create sales receipts in QuickBooks Online as they receive them to record income. In this lesson, we'll look at what a sales receipt is and how to create one. About sales receipts. Invoices and sales receipts are similar. They both record a sale and contain much of the same information. The difference between the two lies in when they're issued and how they're used in your client's accounting. An invoice records a partial transaction and is usually issued before payment has been made because it's used to track the sale. Most companies treat invoices as accounts receivable, and only when the payment is completed can the amount be recorded as income and deposited in the bank. A sales receipt, on the other hand, is the record of a completed sale. It's issued after a payment, and the sale goes into your client's books as income, and they can deposit the amount into their bank account. The sales receipt screen in QuickBooks Online is a sales form. Once filled in, it posts a cash basis transaction to the account. This means that the income is recorded as earned and the payment is recorded as received. Creating a sales receipt. Let's see how to create a sales receipt. Watch the video to see how it's done. The individual steps are below for you to follow. Select the plus New button at the top of the left-hand navigation and select Sales Receipt from the first column. When the sales receipt screen opens, select the customer from the drop-down. Note that you can either select an existing customer or add a new customer directly from this drop-down by selecting plus Add New. Next, enter the sales receipt date. Then select the payment method from the drop-down. From the Deposit to drop-down, choose the bank the funds will be deposited to. Select the box underneath Product/Service and choose the product the sales receipt is for from the drop-down. Next, enter the amount of the sale. When done, select Save and Send from the bottom of the screen. On the next screen, review the sales receipt and make any necessary edits to the email that is to be sent to the customer. If anything's incorrect, select Cancel. When done, select Send and Close. Summing up. Learning outcomes. Well done. In this lesson, we covered creating sales receipts. Knowledge recap. Now you can create a sales receipt. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to help clients to create invoices.